Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be showcasing and sharing STL files to a battery storage container that I designed and received help from PCBWay in making this print happen. PCBWay are one of the most experienced PCB manufacturers in the world, but their services are not limited to just PCBs. They're also involved in CNC machining, sheet metal laser cutting, 3D printing, and a lot more. Give them a visit if you'd like your project to become a reality. Now onto the actual design. Something like this I managed to create using Matter Control. Majority of their software is free to use. There are some tools that are logged behind a subscription fee, just so you're aware. My original design for a battery storage container was, well, let's just say not the greatest. It used too much material to print and just wasn't what I was after. These two designs, on the other hand, really captured what I was trying to create the first time around. Available for AAA batteries and AA batteries, you can grab the STLs in the description down below. Now, the way PCBWay managed to help me is that they alleviated workload from me. I was already in the middle of helping another customer design and make something. Now, if I wanted to make this print happen, I either needed another printer, which at the time was not an option, or you can simply visit their website, sign up, upload your STL files, choose what material you want your project to be printed with, and request a quote. Note that there's coupons that you can take advantage of, including the link that I have in the description. If you follow, you get $5 off your first purchase, and you'll be supporting this channel too. Once you receive the quote, then you can proceed with a purchase that you can keep track of using their tracking system on their website. See, usually when I get an idea for a project, I usually browse and see if somebody else designed something similar. If they have, I leave it alone. But in this case, I haven't really seen something similar to this, so this brings us to the two battery storage containers that I designed. I would like to say a big thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel, as I'll be making similar videos in the future.